Samsung, are you serious about this? Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy A53 is going to launch today, but don't worry, it is already available in the market ahead of its launch. There are in total 3 models that are going to launch today, but people can actually buy Galaxy A53 ahead of the launch in some stores, which is kind of bad for its official launch. Samsung Galaxy A53 will launch today at 2 p.m. GMT along with Galaxy A33 and Galaxy A73 5G, but Samsung cannot manage to stop its leaks and official sale of Galaxy A53 in some markets. Samsung Galaxy A53 first to go on sale in Serbia, then Kenya, and now you can actually buy Galaxy A53 in Vietnam. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what do you think of Samsung Galaxy A53 go on sale ahead of its launch. According to The Perfect PFP Twitter account said, you can actually hands-on Galaxy A53 in person in any store in Vietnam, which is kind of crazy since Samsung didn't even launch the device. And what about the pre-orders and that Galaxy Live Bird gift that Samsung is thinking about? This is a whole lot of mess. I thought this was intentionally to make this phone go on sale before its launch to get more sales, or this is a mistake done by Samsung officials. Either way, this is a good thing for people because they can buy right before the official launch. No need to wait for pre-orders and all. Meanwhile, he also talked about the Antutu score of Galaxy A53, although he didn't give us the figures but said, "No, so impressive, but it feels cool after 30 minutes of gaming," which means this phone will feature Samsung's new cooling technology that can be used in Galaxy S22 Ultra. But Samsung Galaxy A53 is using Exynos 1280 processor, and we have already seen the Geekbench score and now Antutu benchmark. The phone's processor cannot be more powerful compared to its leaked processors. Samsung Galaxy A53 will cost you around $400 and you can expect to have no charger in the box, only USB Type-C. Comes with 6.5 inches 120Hz Super AMOLED Infinity O display, will have 4 lenses on the back. 64 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth, and 5 megapixel macro. If you are looking to get this device for extreme gaming or some heavy tasks, then you should go with Galaxy A73, because it will be better than this one since it will power the Snapdragon 778G processor, which is quite powerful compared to Galaxy A53 Exynos 1280. Let's hope Samsung will continue to support these phones for longer software support as stated by them, for 4G support, but that one was only for Galaxy S series. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what do you think about Samsung Galaxy A53 go on sales ahead of its official launch. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.